Hey there, holiday artist, here you have another installment from Holiday Display.
While not being useful in any traditional way of using string lights, micro lights are still important to the holidays. They can come in the same colors and effects as their larger counterparts, but are the most subtle lights you can get. For the most part, they are useful for lining garland and solid decorations. They are uniquely helpful in that several forms are battery operated, making their placement more independent than larger lights. Also, they are generally built into moldable wire that can wrap or fit into almost anything. As opposed to minis, micro lights create more of an accent. Mini lights, however, are only an accent when on larger items like small trees, shrubs, etc. That's it, holiday artists.